Hey guys, welcome to Dick's Lock Car Garage. So today I kind of got something a little special, um, something I've been waiting on for a while, and it's from Race Track Scenics. Kevin's had sent me over some stuff, so I want to be able to show you guys what he had sent and kind of what I think about it. And so let's just get down to it real quick. So here is what I got from Race Track Scenics. So first one here, see if I can get this to hold itself up there, is the well, it says it right here, camera nest, Wiki Molly. Pretty nice. See all the, I need to take that off there so you can get a better view. But the laser does a really nice job of cutting this stuff out. I can't wait to get this built. And this is the Riverside stands. This thing is pretty freaking hefty, pretty big. So I'm going to get this stuff open, and that way we can look at everything. So here's the camera nest. It is freaking awesome. I mean, look at that. That is freaking awesome. Like I don't know. I'm just like, I'm in awe. I haven't seen any of this stuff up close and in person yet. So this is the shit. Kevin did freaking great job. And his designer, I can't remember his designer's name, but I know he helps Kevin a lot with all of this stuff. And just let me get these things out of these steps here. I mean, this stuff's just freaking crazy. So I'm just gonna tell you right now, like my track's gonna be filled with all this stuff. Here's a piece here. It's gonna be filled. And then here's the stands. I can't wait to get this stuff on my track. I mean, just look at that quality. You know, I really like the wood and the burn in it. I mean, I think for the signs, I may leave my signs burnt, but some of this stuff's going to be painted just because of the, um, I guess the theme that I'm going with on my track. So it'll be painted, but some of the signs I think I'm going to leave un, unpainted. Look at that. That's just freaking crazy. I feel like I need a laser. I don't know what I'd do with it because I don't have anybody to design anything for me, but I feel like I could cut it. If I could 3D print, I should be able to cut this stuff out. But man, all the little stuff's coming out of there. That's just freaking awesome. There's so many sheets to this. Jeez. I wonder it weighs so much. Look how big this thing is. Looks like the bottom. I think this might be the bottom. Maybe it's the top. I think it's the bottom. But man, that is big. I know you guys don't really can't really tell how big it is, but well, here's an HO car. I don't have a tape measure on me either. I'd measure it. There's a 3D printed 1/32 slot car, which is actually a smaller one. Here's a bigger one, a little bit bigger, 1/32 scale. So you got to get the idea how big this deal is. It's going to be awesome. So I plan on doing a build. Probably won't do it live, but I'll do a video of me putting this together, some time lapse and stuff of it. I think that'd be pretty cool to see this go up. I haven't quite decided. Still don't know if I want to paint this or not. I don't know. It just looks freaking good. Maybe I won't. I don't know. It just looks freaking good. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I can't wait to get this to put together. So hopefully sometime this week I will be able to get this put together. So hopefully y'all like seeing this. Let me get this put back here with that. It's something else. It really is. So I think Kevin, Race Track Scenics, did a really good job with the stuff over here that I've got. I can't wait to get it built. I also got the couple signs, and I went ahead and put them together. So I got these to go on my track, and I think they turned out really good. And so I need to get some pictures and stuff with these so y'all can see them up. The track's really not done, but I think these things, the quality of these, how they go together, I mean, they're just freaking awesome. So I'll leave a link in the description so y'all can head over and you can either get these, or I know he did a limited run of these. I don't know if he has any of these left, but maybe he does. So y'all can pick these up, or pick up the Riverside stand, or the Camera Nest. I know he has a bunch of other stuff. I really want to get his the bridges for the track. I mean, they've been a really big hit, and I know my layout could really use them. I think it would help out a lot, and so hopefully I can get some of those, get those built, get them put on my track so y'all can see them. But definitely hit up Kevin for sure. This stuff's just, I can't say enough how awesome it is. I know everybody else that I've talked to, I think my dad, he has a few of the signs as well. I'd like to get Kevin to make me a little sign or billboard for my track as well with my logo on it. That'd be great. I don't know. I'm just blown away to finally have this stuff here. I just keep seeing everybody else's stuff, so I finally have it. But definitely check it out. Check Race Track Scenics out, and go get yourself some. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And by the way, don't forget to get your slot car merch. Here's the jerseys. I'm not sure we have any more jerseys, but we definitely have plenty of t-shirts. So go check those out and get you one. Y'all have a good day.